dkhot jo ka Iing Dorbar Thaw Ain ka Meghalaya mantakasni kilaya tai sani bha halor ka jingeh jong nonghikai skul SSA. Ha ka bayade bakani menteri ka tho ka puli uba lakmen rumboi ulaya tho baka sarkar kan sa siuno suat ang arbana ya ka tulop hakini ki banai ki banwan. Uba rumboi ula aya ka jubab ha ka jaka jong menteri ka kwat ka khia ulaya tho ha ka por bu jingkli baka thmu banbu hado lai spa lai pondri ki jingtei ki bayade baka kwat ka khia.
Speaker Sir, I would like to state that the Education Department alongside Finance Department are working hard to release the capping salary to meet the at least 2 months salary and would release the balance amount whenever the Government of India release the sufficient amount in the second installment. In this regard, sir, the SSA Association has met me and I have assured that this step will be taken, the government will take this step as soon as possible. And in this, regarding the second installment, sir, the Education Department has completed all the formalities and submit all related documents to the Government of India for early release. The money will come from the government, whether that capping or not, that the government will pay the 2 months salary in very soon.